Did a little blasting on this side. We had the limmer hooked up to it to lift it up. I'm just doing a little testing. Blast the inside of this frame. Got some really fine white sand and then some really coarse black sand. I'm going to use the coarse black sand on the other side right now to take off the reflective stripe. That reflective stripe is tough to get off. We got the air compressor running. Got the sandblaster going. And we're blasting on the low boy here. Spiff's being a nice guy and putting a new shield in it for me.
Whatever keeps me from doing it, man, I'll do it all.
Yeah, I couldn't see very well, so I definitely missed underneath there, and I didn't even realize I didn't do that. So Spiff's going to lift her up a little bit for me, so I can do a little better job. Got a long ways to go to get this thing painted. I just took another pass at it here. I think it's better. Spiff's filling me up with more sand. We laid the trailer down last night, or yesterday afternoon, because we knew it was going to rain last night. You can see the rain running off the delimmer here. And it didn't rust the side of that rail too bad at all. Bill decided to run over his Powerade right there. Yeah, it's not supposed to be hot where a guy needs liquids. So yeah, we're putting her up on our side here so we can continue the blasting job. The Timber King's parked behind it because we're going to chain it to that. Well, we laid the trailer on its side this morning, and this is what I blasted. Got some axles. Let's see. Wow. Can you see what that's the inside of the other rail. That's what, well, I guess I haven't blasted this. Yeah, you can see, well, there's sand everywhere, but the paint is just peeling off it. One of my old paint jobs, I didn't blast it good enough years ago, so I'm doing it again. I put 5 bags of sand through it this morning already, and I didn't get very far. The primer I put on here is pretty good. Well, what we got going on over here, Jeff's here, gonna change oil, it looks like. There's a layover cab layover cylinder on this forwarder, and apparently it got wrecked again last fall, late fall, and so now we're going to use a delimmer to help pull the cab over. Yeah, there's a bar in that front where the pin should be.
Okay.
So yeah, keep your hands out of there. We're lifting it over. Can we see that cylinder yet? See what's wrong? Ooh.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
Okay.
I'm guessing it's under that red.
See that?
Safety deal there.
It doesn't look bad. All right.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're pushing it.
Okay, hold on.
You want to get up here?
Oh yeah.
It's pushing it this way.
Yeah, it's got an arc in it. We should be able to straighten that. We might be able to salvage that girl. Well, it's 3:40 and I'm out of Gatorade for the day. This sandblasting's kind of hot on a hot day. I think I'm gonna have to call it a day on the sandblasting. So I did what I could kind of reach on the back end of the trailer here. It's full of sand. I'm running out of sand. I don't have enough to get through tomorrow. I'm trying to make a chair work. Well, this is what I did on the bottom. I need to get some sand tonight because I don't have enough to get through tomorrow. I had to replace my shield there. It's getting pretty bad. Can't really see what I'm doing. Couldn't see that I missed some of this stuff. But yeah, I'm out of gas. And yesterday and today are just too hot. Bill was yanking on that tarp like he was trying to make his bed. Giant Paul Bunyan bed. Now it's supposed to rain, and so I don't want it or waste my walk around behind me. So wait.